So guys, this is kind of how we set up our scaffolding, and it can be done many different ways. You can actually take a ladder and lean it up against the wall if you need to. But this is a scaffolding and watt board, and what they'll do is they'll go up here and use this to actually stand where they can actually run the siding up the wall. And then as you notice up here, we have the Tyvek. And the Tyvek is a moisture barrier that they put on before they put on the siding. And this keeps any moisture from getting onto the wood and rotting wood underneath our siding job. So that's what you're looking at right here right now, is they're getting ready to wrap those windows, and then they can actually start the siding and go up the wall, because now we have the moisture proofing up to keep any wood rot from happening. This is a roll of Tyvek, and generally covers about 500 square feet per roll, and it just comes on a roll, and then they cut it for whatever size they need it, and then they put it on the wall prior to doing most everything else. So we've sealed off the wall before we start to putting on any of the trim or any of the siding. This is actually a starter strip, and you put this at the bottom to start your siding. So here they flashed it with metal, and then they'll put on a starter strip, and then your siding will hook into here to go up the wall. So this is how you start the siding, because it's going to hook into here to go up the wall. And then these are corners, and the corners are insulated with foam, and this will go on the corner everywhere you have a corner to run your siding into this channel. And then your channel, your siding interlocks going up the wall. And they do what they call a loose nail process. So the reason you have all these slots is because you put a nail in the middle or a screw in the middle, and that allows for this product to expand and contract with big temperature changes. So that's how this part is done. These are your soffit panels. I mean, these are your soffit panels. They will actually cut these in, say, 20-foot lengths this way to create your soffit to go underneath here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here, they've already started running the soffit. So this will all be soffit all the way down. There's your channel against the wall, and they'll run it all the way down to the other end. So none of this needs to be painted. And these are vented panels, so it keeps the moisture out. If you notice, all these are vents. So it allows the soffit to vent, and it allows it to breathe, so you don't get wood rot or moisture building up inside underneath the wood. And that's why this is built the way it is to actually do that. So it's actually designed for that.